One, personality. Do you have a personality? Is there personal branding? Do you say something about you? What's your unique take on work and life? Because we want to know. Next, do you have focus? And this is really, really important. Are you going deep or are you going wide? Because at the end of the day, we only remember the people who have depth. We talked about this before, so there it is again. Next up is, what is it that you do? Are you being clear about what it is that you do? Are you a basket weaver? Are you a packaging master? Are you a branding expert? What do you do? And do you communicate that clearly? And does the body of work support that? Last but not least, of course, is the quality of the work. And on that, we have a couple little criteria. Do you nail the fundamentals of design? Do you get the principles of design correct? Are you using the right spacing, the colors to communicate what it is that you're doing? And are your mock-ups beautiful? Do you present the work well? Do you have low pixelated images or things that just don't look good or poorly lit, look amateurish? And even though you're exploring the work, are you showing us the true depth of exploration? We want to see that you take an idea and you hit it out of the park and you do everything that you can think of and more.
Hey everyone, this is a cut down from a larger video that I helped produce. So do me a favor, go ahead and watch the video and let me know what you guys think. Or don't. Either way, it's chill.